Good morning, students. Back to community classes. Today we are going to see about another important topic in this unit, that is about medical entomology. From the picture, what do you understand about that? What do you mean by entomology? Okay, we'll see about it. A study of arthropods of medical importance is known as medical entomology. So there are different types of arthropods that we'll see in the coming classes, coming slides. So whichever arthropods which is having a medical importance, that study about all these arthropods and diseases that is caused by these arthropods, all these aspects is called as medical entomology, and it is an important branch of preventive medicine because lot many of diseases are there which arise because of these arthropods. So identification of the arthropods, identifying what type of diseases are caused, and how to control these arthropods to prevent the further occurrence of the disease is very important, especially in this preventive medicine branch. So coming to the arthropods of medical importance, you can see so many things here, right? So what are the things? So we can see mainly the arthropods are divided into three classes, that is insecta, archinda and crustacea. First we'll see about insecta. In insecta, there are again different types of arthropods which are of medical importance. First and foremost is mosquitoes. Okay. There are different types of mosquitoes. You might have learned about these aspects. Anopheles, Culex, Mansonia, etc. Flies, that also in almost every houses, and when you go to markets, you can see lot and lot of house flies and sand flies. How human lice, especially in the girls with long hair, if they are not properly cleaned and maintained, there is a chances of lice leading to major disease. What is the major disease caused by lice? That is mainly the anemia is the major disease caused by lice, and other hair loss and dandruff and pediculosis and other issues in the scalp. Fleas, you can see sand fleas and rat fleas, that is also causing various types of diseases. Root bed bugs, you can see two types of bugs, that is bed bug. You might have seen or you might have experienced, especially in the hostels, and generally we say it's not there in our hostel, I don't say that, but usually in majority of the hostels, if it is not maintained well or cleaned well, if beds are reused by many hostel members, then there is a chance of bed bugs, and night and all they will be having scratching in the back, and these bugs are taking the blood of the individuals, leading to anemia and various other skin disorders. Flea is another type, as we told. Fleas are a very small arthropod which is being flying and keeping get on to the skin, and that also consume the blood. So these are the two differences between bed bugs and flea. Next is archinda. In archinda there is a ticks. You can see the picture of a tick. There is a hard or soft ticks are there. Each mite is there. These all are ingestion is the blood, and causing various kind of diseases, especially the skin diseases and other health issues. Next one is crustacea. Crustacea, mainly the cyclops are coming under this crustacea. So now we'll see about in detail about a few major arthropods and its causative diseases. So arthropod-borne diseases. First one is mosquitoes. So what are the mosquito-borne diseases? You might have very familiar about it. That is malaria, filaria, viral encephalitis, viral fevers, chikungunya, dengue fever, etc. So these are the different types of diseases caused by mosquito. Housefly leading to typhoid fever, conjunctivitis, anthrax. Sandflies causing kala asar, sandfly fever. Cyclops causing guinea worm disease. Itch mite causing scabies. Tick, soft tick and hard tick is there, which is causing tick typhus and viral encephalitis. Okay, so these are the different types of arthropods and arthropod diseases. Okay, how it is being transmitted? Transmission of arthropod diseases, either by direct contact through close contact. For example, scabies and pediculosis are being transmitted through the close contact or direct contact. Mechanical transmission is another method of transmitting the disease, mainly food poisoning, trachoma, dysentery, diarrhea, with the form of arthropod through mechanical transmission. These kind of, especially houseflies and is a major thing which causing food poisoning, diarrhea, dysentery like diseases. So in that way these diseases are occurring. Biological transmission is by propagative, for example, plague in rat, cyclopropagative, mainly malaria in Anopheles mosquitoes, cyclodevelopmental, that is filarial parasite in mosquitoes. So, in these three stages, the organisms can be transmitted. Propagative, mainly the urine, rat urine is be getting mixed with normal water, especially during rainy season. If you are having a cut or wound in the legs, or the farmers working in the field without proper sandals, and if there is a cut and these infected urine are getting inside through the cut and leading to plague. So this happens during the propagative phase. Next is cyclopropagative. So in this cyclopropagative, malaria is caused by this Anopheles mosquito. So this organism is getting into mosquito, and these mosquito are injecting this organism, causing malaria into our body. Next is cyclodevelopmental. Here also filarial. So this parasite is getting into the mosquito's body and from the infected individual, and when it go and bite next person, the person is also infected with filaria. So that is called as cyclodevelopment. So in different stage of arthropod development, based on the developmental stages, it's all called as biological transmission. That way also transmission of arthropod borne diseases are there. So these are three ways, that is direct contact, mechanical transmission and biological transmission. Coming to the principles of arthropod control, how we can control the arthropods? Mainly there are different ways. First one is environmental control, then comes chemical control, biological control, genetic control and integrated approach. So in all these ways we can control these arthropods. First one is environmental control. What can be done in the environment? That is environment manipulation, mainly elimination of breeding places based on the type of arthropod causing diseases or prevalent in specific area. Identify the breeding places of this. What is the main causative or causative factor for them to breed? That has to be completely eliminated or demolished. Filling and drainage operation, plant water management, provision of piped water supply. Almost majority of the arthropod issues are coming when there is a stagnation of water in sanitation or unhygienic environment. So once proper filling and drainage is being done and no water stagnation around the house or nearby, then there is no chance of breeding. Then there will be proper hygienic environment. Next is chemical control. Insecticide are available organochlorine compounds to control the vectors. So lot and lot of insecticides and organochlorine compounds are available. With the help of these chemicals, vectors or the arthropods can be controlled. Biological control is mainly with the help of larvivorous fishes. Example, gambusia. You might have seen also majority so many houses, especially in community when we go, if the area seems to be prevalent with mosquitoes in that area, usually they might have keeping the gambusia in their every houses because it will eat the mosquitoes. So larvivorous fishes, the fish which eat the guppy and gambusia are the fish which eat the mosquitoes and its larvae. Thereby mosquito can be controlled. Genetic control, this is under research. We are not much using this method. Next is integrated approach. So here for vector control, combining two or more methods for maximum results. So we are in combination, we are using advising about environmental control. Along with that, we are using some gambusia fishes in our houses. Thereby we can have majority of mosquito control measures. So in that way, combination integrated approach helps for the maximum results of controlling these arthropods. Okay, I hope it is clear.